abusua for Makwaba sa ala wo de ma to so na mo kan kire me na edi all right so Makwaba honorable Carlos Ahinkra wa ha and na de chan da Carlos Akwaba
yeah we are there
hi oba so de alidu edi na chi me hu wa che
no me sheho
Akwaba
me jisu lawyer
okay yes and then some people never can want some but honorable my main same free so our University of Education for me so follow more sense of my so
yeah
yes so more governing council you say appointed for appointing to graduation so just say yeah postpone. I think there's one institution I was a year because of insensitive be there so our minimum so what follow na then I can find
you and lawyer na menchia na menchia wo mo hwe so kan ko mo mpesua so na memfasa na sima MPP NEC say o matumi abobo ababedu sampepe so ene yen parliamentary friends saying elections no ever start na a free and Saturday we up to the 3rd August no yeah the forms so they apply one more person must stand offer constituencies in na just bobo anu asese obi aso ku bi ase ku na permit yesame oku ono abie mu kan obi opeso ku bi ase man kwan no ku bi bibia ni we se osu kwa so MPP ni nko a dia na obetumi I testify to the fact say oka MPP or snow uba time ho dia obi ant be stop na ko constituency wanya bi akọ region wanya bi so akọ national me dem feel say na nakufu ado be ono free ababedu ha no believe in democracy no believe in the rule of law so na wanya yi na ni yesi wonu say obi a person could be ant be could be no e be say ye be ma one more omo control sa adwumen won make sure say be crojin yempento kwa yempesi atise sanima we ni betumi atete yentem sanima we ni betumi ama election na se ho be kire ho akire ho
Carlos wako fa be dey maybe say one or two questions be then memma ali do so akame because me so so maye
okay
na nka ya de be ka ho asem but nti to aso na me ma say
enti me de say na mesre a contest mo de mo me enko yekwa obi lusu a we lusu uwini a we wini bracket nim obi bia so a waye wadwen say opese opekwan bi so na we di release our process me pacho and necessary wadwen because 2008 any kika hu you lose election losing yin reason why eba na sa mama me ensa nkoyechi sa time no na nkonkoma sa mentime ho asena na mempene nkonkoba waba wabegina wawini wafa wada na so ko be bi se bi brache wonye MP a menya sure say ebetumi ama wo life ahende wo so a wo pese wo ye MP no ni wi a make sure say nipa na wo gudi ni so nkunimu no wo bring the person to your side and as wo bring the person back to life because the easy so be elections na akodi nkugu na ono nkasa so ansesa no ho say oba eno no ba be ba ko see to be any sir because don't forget say nipa 100 kwa na di na chia important constituency be one more you winning with only by 40 votes 50 votes ebi one more kra ketwa bi enti say nipa obu on chi ni fifo nko abokra bo ye be 40 a esombo enti meka megina sa akonya iso etini same oku akanim me ankasa so me bi eni se nka bi anka betumi kra kasa sei because one person ogina bi na obe protect no but I don't have even the moral right to say me protect me no not at this stage the party first so me party for them my west workers omom peme na woman kono obi from ra they are right and they are at liberty to do so and I will accept it in good faith and I want all my other colleagues to take up this challenge na yemfa enu ni yenim yenka se party no mu ni nkunim I don't have any problem at all, whatever happens. But the person be we sa offer constituency adi be we no. Na ubia ejina na so say party no and edi nkunim.
Sabrina ya delegates did no.
me nim didi na wo kana se but ye hye bia itumi didi e say
Carlos
emone
Carlos
yes lawyer
me say sabre ni ana na say TV so le di ko e sabre na ya delegates didi no
oh Adam say didi na wo kana
didi ba ko pe na me kan
aha me say be ye meeting yetumi market try aduane ba your love rapping right na didi ni eko enti sabre ni dabre ni na the same thing ye ntwen okay ntwen bro nyansa na yabo
bia wo de we are ready to otiase ntri
ti we be nkase didi bia wo
no ya na say bi o ho didi enti na
ye Ghana politics
na didi enti no be piem anya sa nkanya didi anko ma
ye Ghana politics na ye ya ba na banesa say we hu hwe nye ye we free mu a be difficult
but I say do bia ye jai because honestly we be o ho a o ya dear power parliament
but only
ye yi no say o mebo sa modern
yeah
but this answer didi ni ho nti no say o be free parliament
and me we are dream pa
na de ba kwa me ka ho asema no pa so ni say o obi pa na te parliament no no obi nam na chi na obe ye ho pasa so by the time just unyan do fort you na ye yi to asa akwanya and some of them no wan kasa nipa na o ba ni nim say ade na o ka fa unua no ho no enye no kra
we dey emse gasefu tu nka ye de odema omo beto aba no wanke ye
me de amoma no pay
de amoma
no pay me de amoma na mpesa wo di wa no tumbi
okay but ya na nyina nso so gina yen so ye wo parliament ni obi wonu mu a na sebeta frache bia na wa ho keka no na se wonu mo mkoto aba no hwe a na enso wonu mo abontin nani se omo nso omo nya omo adwen se omo de obi be kɔ a nipa kro no be kɔ no akwa ko fili ana se wakɔ na amanfo na nto aba ma esa no mo no ade anko mo hwehwe se omenya a ruling MP at that particular time na amaso energy aya na yesika fa no twa ha
ho keka no ye parliament na say wo constituency
wona making but na say so when you constituency won't be ko parliament ebia wa you work for parliament you work ya de but on say yen adwuma fa na say me to say dey be say me chebe mu into 4 me time mu into 4 my first one to my constituency my second one to parliament my third one to ministry and a fourth year to be family and me pew sa for a period see to be mo in fact so we do crap sir but 4 year basically to be chebe sir now they just imagine say me ma parliament my time me ma ministry my time na obi the watch on there no constituency in Kwanjuma no because I know say they will go pursue them. Se me time na my constituency no se me apportion ye na anya ansani wo for mo a me delegates no mo be page me de makom anim no they will have a problem they will have a problem na ye hu is ye do kona se go na anto aba na ma na ye yende ye so de ade ye penisi be sofa MP obe failure na MP o win and na masani wa win but like you are saying we are right you bet me sani we bet me are planning in such a way say time I about a lot to any of these activities no be in such a way say be boa party na boa nipa na nkasa so ne kanko but they come say they are be happy
well alidu
lawyer
some dey I feel be fa wafa na say obefa
ma fa
wafa oh sir
ma file
ma fa na kan cheme
on kan cheme gra
lawyer ya sampi na maminchia ashefo
okay
na meda mo production team so asi na Friday no mintunsa efre mo cameraman na omo be boa mi ewo mi filing no meda omo asi in fact period that time I made it free no now I wasn't even expecting say be on be respond but omo to me respond e chire pefe say Madia Tum say I'm part of Umikamu. So you actually granted me that courtesy.
So we can one and say we journey here.
Me journey here. Say na say my catcher say at least as we Juma we are that say yes so e Jumre bia ube ko wahumi na ube ma ebimusu anya kwan abeye. So once a while you betimi abana you be to so aboa kwan abetimi afaso na ebe makabimo kabinu edimu lawyer promise political parties promise me Mr. T contested free 2012 2012 me ko no me ni sitting MP na contest here na mandi nkoni milusuye na milusuye no because me do party nunti me di ma hondi any misika me nindie any de keka ho edibo ahead because the collective interest of the party no ehia me chen me personal party no koso so yetimi boy na yetimi retain city no 2016 me contest here na Nyakupo do metimi wini promise no but for into ata 2016 no me san kan sisi asu mafa eko na how I woman say some of us are young pentro no ama adwumani yedi na sometimes you know uha na ubeti asembia na ubisa won say asam we so free enuna anopa we enura anaduna mikorans na miko we bi na obi ka kire me say say Michael Kwejina na all sponsor me
wo
me
oh okay Toma was saying
I mean me
now Yabanska would
na say you oh me ka de bia say obi pese odi onim na otimi nya courage obegina onim na otwontro a ofa ambu emawo ofili say bia unu unni dia yedi dwin asem because certainly no my adwuma wa ban muda as a staffer at the office of the president my board member Hajj board for 4 years sabi ne me contest election obi any party no na onim juma maye ama party na nipa no betima aboami this MPP ni na beboami if there should be I'm coming if there should be any even support that will come from the MPP will look at the weaker candidate to support me ma kobida so ombetima assess between me and nipa or contesting but a part of the game now sometimes a hard dream because we yes a mistake you know this hard thrown you china ukotoa 4 years ansana ubetimi assistant and you continue in fact 2016 me lose here and you say be a MPP before now ya too about to no tear me because e bi mu ben me na mo feel say there be ni style no me assemble na maka the way ehia say be kan na majai enti at this age o testima me ni BP me ni sugar level because me can na my isa
sugar level de will be that we need your bro so no so be our level
pressure exactly sugar level no be but largely no me met and I agree with honorable say foot will be ho yam former delegate no because you see a hard dream obi a wasum party na just boom out of nowhere no obi beba now because e be a ni pocket eyedu kakra na odima odiche na we hu say ye di ni chi
but
yeah you su sa niama no any method now what is simply means na who are ho me my branch chairman da my deputy secretary of a ward from the grassroots my team president my vice president and so me team president UCC I've worked in government so what kind of experience again na obi begina onim na o ka kire o say Ana Ibrahim Mama na sponsor me. Mini Omampeni Jo Mama na A90. All of these are just use context on your own merit. Dia wati maye. Me boa na me catch you say me ba metima nya juma amawo. There are evidence of it amaye. Obi o ha o ye juma na e me na me facilitate o timi nya juma. Se me ka say metima boa ubetima koskoa. There are evidence of it. So these are all the things that we need to evaluate. But mesere party no interest no ehia ye ina and you see say ye be wie election na ye betimi aka ye hu aboma it depends on the things you said about the individual say na miti ho na sabio e bia delegate no mo na wo mo tumi so mo decide say o mo mfa mame na mo di amawa na wa chontro atumi so a you think that I should open my door for you to come and sit with me having destroyed my image? Would you go back and repair those images? So yen hwe ye na yen kan dia betima ye aboa party a sabio ye pese ye gina omonim no yen hwe kwan ya betima aboa ni delegates no a omoto aba no they will not just be voting for the sake of it because omu pese omunya kwan a ombetu omu abrabo be koso. So if you are to lead as a light na ubema esisem betima aba na obia benya nifa. So my advice is that yanya nu ba yanya nu belewo yanka nu kure ntro nu doso sabi me sabi o me twa ntro kura wo hwe me nima wetima ho me ntimi because yantiti me say me be twa ntro.
Okay.
So I believe say yanka nu kure na say who capacity to lead, just speak about it. And you know but we should protect the image of the party.
Okay.
The party certainly know. And here say intiminya power. Now say power. Don't let us destroy ourselves.
Well, politicians never learn. Okay, some of them. Tiatrono there. I can bet my last coin on Ebebara. Ebebara. Okay, my chairman, you are more sharing cardio dialysis unit. Mrs. Ofori Antimage, Dan, David, Grace, Mary, Efo, and Mwamaka more cardio dialysis. Good morning. Thank you for watching. And then also a happy birthday to ACP Kwesifori. Here Nkasa Kwesifori, Commander Operations, Accra Regional Police. Good morning, sir, and enjoy your birthday. Honorable, may I switch him call sir Gallopers here as me.
One can you in him, and I am
coming to Wahoka. Appointed governing board, number appointed.
That's all.
Ombe into so Kasa Gallopers here as me. Yes, and then find out assign academy. Last week, me who me real way, beside me who say, oh, so their partner, and is it because the cannon free and bottom nobody cares? A came from one regime to the other and to another regime never be seen. In fact, last week me as me kwakuibi.
Akuiwe.
Baby ebisi am koi na my koi bus na akawura mu hono so ya lolo de na yemfa ma kwan no so because it's we be say me yibi. E bad near de amefrew.
But frame me.
No, but the larger picture is aban bi aba why ade we see me contract no mu agisa me hwehwe mu na one term atwam another term atwam. And what is even disturbing is that sa ban corner betimi akọ na ne nto aso asen aba na de corner so ho I mean Carlos then is it because anya esikanti emfa ho ana
debi muhu sa na mema we imagination
no sika no so because sa sika no menyamu quarter kura me de be me business bi
but yes ye nyoma be so yi on say asemi alinga wona chese anase ye kan say akonkon ho ache na se we aban na se woni obi ye baby in terms of contracting and I say woni obi in terms of say we to be free nipa kro ho a ne important part on be proper documentation se mpu emrandi ho a de ye sa agreement no and I'm ready where they talk and you may be I don't chase any bit me one no aka otiki or china me pese my office will supply me A4 sheets 10 boxes the moment utiki oba service our contract no se meni ho na wo the 10 boxes ne ba na ebia manager foforo na ono ye in charge of that office no ga dey bi 10 boxes that by me hu pepe bia wo ha say woman 10 boxes A4 sheets nemum nkamaje nso price na wo dey ma me no me the company me konya the kingdom na eno from to we me ntuma njia no wanya problem ko kamza se me buy no omo try some be court near the minimum court case na kwa kusie but what did it from the revolution NDC first regime of this fourth republic na that has obekaya na district near 110 and he almost decided say this is executive to district be to one gallop be at the amount. Now I don't know what former contract they take here. One of these cars that time cost $30,000. Now that time $30,000 mean now between the actor that was a Pajero 4 year Land Cruiser
yeah
ne etumi ton anyan sesa $30,000 now to be the tall Land Cruiser that time enti ekoba ne se saa sika no ye ato saa car no so no na eye MPP4 ye ba 2001 na ye na kakra enti ye kire se ene won trance na ye invest betumi I come to some kind of arrangement ye trance ankwan ko si fie
8 years
na unim se oh ya na nkofo refi niema the way aban bi no ye na ade no anya the same way and aban foforo be na ade
adinti
because efemre mu dia na mra no de ne nam totin na se nyemra na se ye gentleman agreement ana se me no aka se o de card ba ye to na de aba na se wa ma metu no betu for them analogy na enya de a obetumi force ba cross change na wonfa tieni pa kwakwa kofa kasi aba kasi ba ye hwehwe mu ye hu agreement bi o ba bia se aban se oto kasi bi asa so what you say okay you trust yanka price and my it been tonsa 30,000 been tonsa you trust yanka you trust so ankwa gosi hwe obese ye den and you no free one be say koy 8 years kayen fa ne se wo de mpa MPP fompo ene bia omutirimu odin intino President Rollins the third by intino ye penasem de pese e be use car no enti ye ntwiaka NDC ba another 8 years o man to cars
before we buy NDC 8 years no sa 8 years na MPP wo hono no car no igu aman asaso nyesa
na ewo ya wa ba
enti se enya ade aye gitum a ye ntimi nhye nipa ko se masa be se sa wo
there be eno de enye we lawyer me sure say no ndwinye a friend say a proper ti say
mebo me buy no me hu say contract bi ani ho me de ya asenka
yes
it means our man will need sa enkutahudie no
yes
ti before ade ko
no so ena make almost omfa ka no
ena ye ni kwan bi betimi afaso ye ntimi order no ne we ye ntimi nkokoto nkoje order se be sesa we ka ko
onu kra na ko ho court onu ko ho court ena make me nim the court case na kwa CCC I don't know what judgment was given but as far as we are concerned ye dey say time frache ni yeduane ento enum ye nsu baby egu no so egu a friend saying
close ye mfanye hwe
ye mfanye hwe ye nya ready say kusi dan bia wo so ye school e local government school yes here dada enti me say so the MPP for kwa na ya say contract de enye ebonwa ana say ye pendis was 17 year other than this for about 8 years no o ma anye da
say ba ho so
good oh and you know say no kire wo say obia na ban bi oba after President Rollins time bia no hu say sa business no nya de obetumi edno ho agim na se be do obi ase a ye na President Akufo-Addo ase na se ye be bo obi abaso a ye mon Kanufurata abaso Kanufurata ompe waste Kanufurata mpadia ebeji egu na say am menchew NDC for ba be fra ben no omo kra cars bi ma GPRT for through Maslow omo kra buses bi ena sa cars nketwe ya Korea cars nketwe ya Krofori Uber nketwe matches box
toes and taps bread rolls
opani ye buy na say ye hwem no mamu a na sa car no omo importu aton baako more than 60-70 say 80,000 Ghana cedis how sa car ne si wono wodi mo bi $9,000 cry on top so ko when the real price aye ton wodi mano $5,000 cry here obe pa ne chow ansa no wato mo process aka with 60,000 80,000 Ghana cedis obi anto enti say ye ba mu 2017 up to be abe last May na cars na so si wo GPRTU4 as a buses na Maslow for the buy under NDC no woman pe woman ye woman fa won't be confess bus we ma now can chance me meton say 130,000 Ghana be kiska be mean kaiska no and the GPRTU4 rejected but Maslow managing director as a Maslow boss any finance minister go transfer cars offer enyaba o makofa kanaba o ye hu hwe nyi and yen hwese ye betumi a massage price no a ne yemfa mo ankasa wankasa ye massage ne yemfa ma MPP fo yen hwese betumi a massage ne yemfa mo ankasa no mo ntoma de apani ampa finance minister Fred GPR transfer Fred Maslow for transfer e transfer as yen komran o hwan price no ma no wa se on ba se ko sabi na SNK ye saka se SNK confirm it ase that time but that time ase amanti no etwa MPP aban baako etwa NDC aban foforo asengu nei Kanufurata na se pam no twa no mache no ye masaka as ni ngo na entertain pansam obi betumi atrem se bitabra odi akwafu mu kraba enti de
ke betumi ahwu ya sa attitude kro na no sa first 8 years and then the second 8 years
enti ase na first 8 years time no this time no enkrofo na hu reason say cars na 16 years so cause this with me what 30 years will be anfa wasteful but then what me abomodin akofa state transport for aba o value car na ba ko 17,000 Ghana 19,000 car no say no 20,000 Ghana cedis STC4 car na edi almost says edi for 17 years 18 years no the value back 19,000 Ghana cedis. Minister of Finance for say wa wo pe bi no kokoshe so kokoshe na car na emu trouble na say wo pe a ebetuama customs en ka say betuama finance o betuama custom for GR me custom GR for na kwa kofo back na adeko and the first na 110 ebe car 67 and they say akabe only 7 on the premises and for oma auction and no proper auctioneer and the kojina hono born don't at 19,000 99,000 aden ye betra na BBC abi following adenti say a community like Ghana ye nyina say beta frache ye pe Ghana kanko na say wakwa forecast bia bakra na contract na ye catch us bia ye entrance na ke hwe year and from $30,000 the be ya bedro enu $4,000 a crowd. That is what it is. And to me the message say going forward no se bebo obi abaso a e kofurata na was na bi so a yemfema na kofuado because on mama we are happy as a cast no and ke be go on mo 3 4 5 a friend saying presidents but be 8 years no na cast the goose go because only contract be ade be obi to ransom and that's what it is.
Atwuma adwuna kwa kosi ambulance bi ho asem bus se besisi ho ne ade Halidu asem we say the bi asise kwa ko no me dream ho ade ba kwa ba metim no say this is a country a car cry ba yes overage cars cry no yenhwe and amman ase bi omoko mo anim no car di 10 years cry on the street so be kwa crash no here the 17 20 years no ya de be fafa ya kwan so
confuse kakra commenter honorable Kai say contract be annual contract be annual then Gina sooner abayin Gina so or tokan contract be annual
maybe there's been a say okay ya to start for so maybe some innovation
so sometimes you know when you now can one Emma as politician we are losing the trust of the people gradually sisi agana for bebre omun gin ndi ye kan na we say we mu there sa na say obi na nipa no ye local government minister under his watch ya kraka na contract ni o na wo ka chem say unnim gina so a wo punish nipa no the state is disposing the cars wo ka chem say unni contract what warrant your disposal one na ma wo sa to me no ade anu nya wudia Adentina will dispose.
Say be afraid na tina we ka say.
You see, I raise that issue. Never.
Let me tell you something. So they be warehouse. Who they be warehouse? Na egu hono after a certain time. Na me hwe na say warehouse charges no. It is even over and above the cost of the product now. I have a lien over those
products. Oh, no, warehouse.
The whole thing. Open property.
You see, warehouse, no, there's a regulation operating with the warehouse.
What do you know about warehouses?
Oh, warehouse regulation. Local government institute a warehouse.
But say obi ni premises.
Warehouse. Maybe you don't know. You understand warehouse.
The honorable Kai, we are lawyer. Maybe sir, a basic question. What is the basis upon which I buy this for me my auction Jumo? Me were office of the president. I was basically in charge of auction. So say me come in him. Because I've worked under that for 4 years. And so na me feel ho. They are muwe no kronu na mubo Ghana. It is not even 19,000 as we claim. 500 Ghana na muye valuation.
Okay. Me sure of
500 Ghana be catch na minim obi a wakoto saka no.
Okay.
But what they are doing say you see they have not even gone through the processes of auctioning. Say your auctioneer you would have gotten even more because auction there's a base price. But base price, you know, say 1 year allocation now you bought auctioneer because nobody knows of the base price. Just who officials, you know, any auctioneer. So general public kunuba, we say car no ahina offer buying a woman. Obi be say 1 million. Obi say 2 million. You better to the point. The last offer ye dibe manu. Now say obi ama offer na answer na auctioneer no di me hammer bebo ama. And I'm saying that the baseline valuation omuma saka no 5 million. 500 Ghana and 19,000. But you see the argument about contract ni ho say ni ho enye nukure. because now then maybe so will say what actually omu dispose on catch them Jina isu a omu Jina because
yeah address this issue of say, because it appears to say eno ne ma ade no twentwen ya for 8 years nina and
the suppliers were in court. The suppliers were in court. Omo they are buying court. FASAP win. So at the time I court to process there's no way say you better take a decision on the cars because omo make demand
if they wanted.
So if there's no agreement, how come say suppliers they are buying court?
Was there an agreement?
There was an agreement. That's what I'm saying. Say
they accord with government contracts.
And Unamika said there was a court case.
And the one time, when you case
court case nipa no demand for judgment debt every saa niamano if there's one agreement Argentina supplier no court
and the other monka say when you case no record e beto ade no ye dey cry by
obi beto court believing say there is an agreement enso so na bia eniwo and as agreement no en and then the because you were quite a buying contract and wouldn't him say any pebble mark court thinking so more contractor it turned out said no money contract it's clear your case is bizarre you know it
say it's not true say contract be anyo
well
kanu ye kra kanu buy no na around close to 2000 na yelusu election na ye demand district chief executives na umbe use
so my man can we say and then you react to it also according to reports the vehicles 114 in all were imported by the Rawlings-led NDC administration for distribution to metropolitan municipal and district assemblies just before it exited power in 2000 with the government taking delivery of only 27 of the vehicles that year. The remaining 87 came in batches over a period of 3 years. However, the Kufuor administration, which came into power in 2001, refused to distribute the vehicles because it claimed there was no agreement backing the purchase. The question is, okay, so up to that point.
So there was no agreement backing the
it claimed there was. It claimed.
But they have not been able to prove. It claims. Miba omu claim
no
abain na eka miba abain na eka omu buy no na a few were supplies yes supply few pe na who say o dey be contract no I don't know stop omu not to supply the subsequent was agreement in your I'm saying say you see buy poyo na ye nya tumia ye feel say dey be we there ye and I'm asking the question say omu take a decision Emma ye krasa niam no bae no what are you doing about it
you be sure but point now kind fantastic oba wo se contract ni ho ba ko aba me no aba dey be men sam fa maybe
contract be and you Argentina wo di ba
the other no so ne say the na ne pen so a ono se contract wo ho no dey na stopping say proof yani na call contract
enuna say aban pese omboa Ghana for obe frɛ saa nipa no
ana say nipa ko na be sorry aka say contract ni
Debbie now then he who alleges must prove enya Debbie we a lawyer
Debbie
the aban is government who is alleging say enya minister no Debbie
who would cast the aban say would
19 and nipa wodi cast no buy no court
no court 16 years
go and check what your winning case against the state me catch you say if it's part of the judgment data
during which period now onya sa judgment no
from Kufuor time no court
during which period because that and also very important
this discussion particularly with the judgment data sa company no count na me ka say there's no true say enya no correct say contract ni ho aban MPP aban buy no time a omu buy na only few na e buy 34 na 36 na e buy no why don't you say contract ni wa why you mo say contract ni wa obeka tell company say hey aban enumu enye any contract don't bring this to become a liability to the state man ye otie wa jai ade no apro na wakoye evaluation 500 Ghana cedis 5 million na 5 million no u kotoa na omudi be ma 15,000 cities 15,000 no ombe 500 no ama state there can no emudia I am telling you say that is what happened
auction time no
that auction say make
auction presidency no
they are more no one year auction I am telling you say one year auction mo say mo year auction but auctioneer no din auctioneer wa koye auction boni din mami my entire for entire but they were sitting at the office of the president. Now, yes, we knew arrangement nina, and I'm saying that I know people who are scrap dealers are Oma Tosaka Suno. Modi ama now for your own benefit. 5 million. The subsequent ones who fire.
Halidu. I made this away how to say the high mubinum. Sadia na if you are buying back a project be and I are quota be government back on bar. Ya homeso na ade ne si wuram na say na ba kon so aba in fact me catch obi say on me be property because I mean who may be clear but ya adwen ye say is it because enye obi ni pakro no won ankasa ni sika and gidi so won be ya adwen say
enu na me say on say ye omra
e wo say sa ade ne ye jai
ye omra mra no e guide the kind of worker ye say waban mu na uni aban e delay you have rules and regulations say ojuma uye no ekotia mra enti na ye wo institutions are be investigate o mu investigate wi a na o mu say sabi odi awuye no emfa mra kwan so na o mu di u be kwa akogina court me beside Honorable Minister or a Minister of State, Ejuma Oye no is mindful of the rules and regulations. Laws are a catch and say yes. Say bia wo Ejuma Oye wo ho no okotia mra ochina bi obi be friend. Oh, na waka san bi say Maslock crackers buy. Na price ye di two we no price sabio in his own suggestion no and influence or you say ya nu too much say uto niama na untua cash high pitches no utua deposit and they spread within a certain period of time. Conditional sales. Yeah. Inflation, any the count. We calculate that the position of city inflation here, the factor into. So at the time, the value of the money will certainly not be the same as at the time they were giving you the car. Now, what you say, the price, now, what you say, Maslock don't give outright sales, conditional sales. Now, what you na sabio amanyo 70 u kasati say omo a omo ho sa time no sabio omo nji Ghana for phone we bia say me call showroom na me koto bia 1000 but say me turn conditional sales omo di sika bi betosu omo be ma me mre say tuya up to that time at the time I me tuya sa sika no it won't devalue the money sabio omo dey atos anyama
but then say ekoye bebre sad that
who determines bebre no
who obehu the figures no I'm not saying say sad na
they are onu kai no sa ka so a omo dey uba no who call out say be who use once it's about 250,000 25,000 who kita 25 Ghana 30,000
Ghana Korea 500 Ghana $500
come here me with the brother me
say go to the garages they are there
ukra 19,000
so but honorable you be sir me sure say akosro because of say Uber no motor no be brain into 25 now
no 25 me say just the garages
me buy opposite phone how much even on the internet how much they value that they price that car for manufacturers reserve selling price MRSP tell me ain't say my me online na say MRSP no em say 9,000 and I say 7,000 may they multiply 5 na 35,000 Ghana cedis and I mean the 9 multiply 5 45,000 Ghana cedis
you add duty
na what the me fan say me the duty one can ho na me 3 years extrapolation of a friend's financing any other can ho na me price 3 times the price are you telling me say
then 60,000 in the open market you know me see home use 25,000. Now your price is brand new and your home you so 60,000. Now catch them say high.
60,000. Me say 60, 80,000.
You said 60.
No matter what the price say, the price was inflated by double.
Now Sabio, young Magana for.
If you want to quote me well.
No,
I did not
say 60,000.
No, I didn't call it. Me say 80,000, 50,000, 80,000, 90,000. I quoted a price to tell you say I don't know the definitive price, but I know say the price was doubled. And you cannot double.
How can 60,000 be double of that?
You are not listening. You are not listening to me.
Okay, assume you say 80.
Do you work with Maslow?
No,
I don't work with Maslow.
Yes,
but Maslow sat down
and realized that now you are in government.
Yes,
you should be providing the accurate information.
That's why you should listen to me. Maslow sat down and realized the price number 2 administration double. In fact, in Maslow, GPLT for no crab buses the man. They went behind to cross check. No, say bus are your tone they say. Money mama price see. Na mianga sanka me tumi kokko besia kra wo bank se beta fraje kokko to a. Metua bank no agree no. Na me ntua mu half. And why in heaven's name will I come and buy from you? This matter is not even coming from enya Maslow phone account. GPR to phone come out no. They are the people who are fighting. But my main challenge me you see I've been in logistics for all my life. More than 35 years.
My oxygen.
What's your name? Say, Obi the nyoma begu warehouse.
That warehouse meaning regulations were every time I want to fees now once here and the accumulating effect of
Obi the nyoma begu warehouse. They seize it. Wa be yi nyoma no time no so be yi no ameyi. Minim. Na wo hwe na say the cost of rental no ya bro. Nyoma no price this one. You exercise your.
So how much do you rent the premises of the institute? Magana for because in the name of transparency, Magana for.
Na the okay nyina, how do about 8 years no one check report can one check us.
Mumie no nyina. As aban. We mo ye nyina e brofo aranko.
Debi
no kura bi wo ha obi nka nkyere ye.
No credit both cases. Exactly.
Yeah, but say,
before. Is that someone? And a president Casabani and Chiaka. Moba Bemu 8 years. Anna Burisa 8 years. No, Manka MP before.
Now some no court. I didn't have no court. How do you take a decision?
Chiaka.
So you see the double standard.
What double standard?
Out of court settlement, almost say a chrono. Out of court settlement.
When I say
oh, MP before.
The one
more opposition. Sabi say obi di aban kokko. Now we see who every court. Now we nipa no 8 na mo. They suggested in this country say even payment of judgment they will say
you are only happy.
That was what they said.
Situation
280 million Ghana cedis Ghana for Sabi you see in the name of judgment debt. But the promise one of the promise
my men can we say I'm saying
one of the promises is they won't pay judgment debt and that they will channel that money to sponsor free agent. That was the promise they made to the people of the
what was it? What was it? Budget budget provision for bad debt. More 640 million provision for bad debt. Why you are criminal man say going forward what was your evidence? Have you seen any of
I think sir
provision for bad debt. What was your evidence?
280 no 280 million finance minister call parliament can say you clear judgment debt one buck even companies are and
judgment debt mo ma create at all. Judgment debt.
Why is he not paying those naming those people?
Naming who people?
Say transparency on companies.
You see
you are right.
I am
what the boss say who there won't you judgment?
Okay, how's that going to do?
What but now who to 280 one catch Ghana for say ashi machine na shikanu
one with the way we twist yourself.
To then
who created judgment debt that
who created
for example
who's
created bank switch for the ebe call you no sign agreement say on ba be your friend saying platform am custom for their evaluation. Moba be mu an mo dwen say MPP for bo mu ntino mo cancel here omo dem call International Court of Justice and they won $185 million.
They won. We negotiated the interest and then they actually forgo the interest. You came and pay together with the interest.
But that is the Yeah, but
the interest we negotiated and reduce the interest.
Yeah,
Carlos. As Omayan conducting and we in respect of some of these arrangements, I a friend of contract or whatever it is. In conducting and we
leadership.
Yes.
So we
and they are both sides.
Issues of leadership. Na mika say sabi. Inti na mika say say mika tell me kanu kure. Sabi
because we are not so can no kure because we na mo come no kure.
Issues of leadership.
What the Minister of Procurement that?
Say
what you mean that?
Minister of Procurement or na ajate another 12 contract on sa designer sa architect 12 different contracts.
Oh wow. But no
different contracts.
Minister of Procurement or holiday. It's say you be business into no. Meaning say there is any law that says say obi because meaning say a bank contract
what can the council of architects council there and then almost statement have you read it?
Almost say
the indictment of my indicted government say a kwan move to the master contract
I'm saying but not say or because a bank contract why
I don't want us to mention
let's come.
Don't find excuses for MPP.
No, I'm not finding excuses for anybody. They almost say NDC yes so sourcing. So sourcing emrao. Ewo procurement ama ban kwan say obetima there are conditions for it. Yes, I'm sorry.
No doubt about it. No doubt about it. They created an impression that so sourcing no ATM.
Me agree.
Now they are in power today. They are using so sourcing and restricted tender.
What percentage?
Restricted.
What percentage?
It is not.
What percentage?
You see?
What's your
percentage? Unum ekwan na we bisa me say unum ekwan o ka say
one nkwan da bia
that's what I'm saying that
one nkwan
yeah can governance the point is the point of governance why be one aka say law
then
what's your law mu
but o ka say yeah
but lawyer say conditions
so
condition apply the conditions
did you violate the conditions
you did
yeah
a lot of
I don't think na prosecute omo a omo violate that don't
na say are you aban here
jai dem mo kan
assembly 5 cases they call that and improve
cases baby ba mo kan ho asem ya 5 pedal e wo ko
$10 million area
because
you see I'm happy because once again say
leadership issue. Interrupt you. Because leadership Ghana for say a buying beauty or yes or Bokronu or Bagana for say or Muzi say Mrano or Mudidi Jumanu or Manfam Quine so what it simply means by the judgment of those who voted for you, you say, oh, dear Uba Niyama different. Uba you are even behaving worse than the government you accuse. And what even makes it worse? Onua who accuse you no. Want me kura on fa dance.
Unim. Asma be kan wo mpenso meka.
Me pe. Asama wo meka.
Unu bia ba betena be kan say no de ya mo di dwira ban no gu. Sa kasa no ye di dwira ban gu.
But is it fair to the people of Ghana?
Somebody came to sit here baby out here.
Is it a fair comment?
Ebe kan bi.
Lawyer, is it a fair comment?
The American say Tio.
Ghana 4% omun tie nukure na omun di nukure chi. Na say ye betina that is what I'm saying say yes. We need to be truthful. Na nipa Ghana 4 a ombe make decision, make decision based on because who catch obi say washebo obeyese. The tendency of the person making his program based on their bosha woman is there. Now said their uka enu entroa sabi or the brand new mau. At the end of the day, he will not achieve that. That's why I'm saying that let's be candid as politicians.
Want to move hopeful.
We are far ahead of you.
Governance and as a member the American kakransa o ma ko kakransa diskakoto pembra diskakoto nsubra anya ne amamu ene ko bia betumi ayi bi se me bucket wa ko wo fie man sika na fa develop hanu obetumi dia to tonyo man dia ye task class mo kwan so nice. That is not governance. Governance is visionary. Governance is planning. Governance is having a policy to follow.
What is visionary than SCC hospitals?
Yeah, the policies
now
two places.
What is more visionary than that?
So that could next time bahano. Yemfa your manifesto. Come one by one. Now be a promise Ghana for Biano. You fulfill it.
Only a little yes.
Now you want the green book.
The boss let's all cross a green at that.
One blue book. Now you say Ghana for you know what you yeah, Abia Ghana for no more number be and this
1 million
won't ye? Won't ye about so the over? What the tip was it? So what it?
1 million people.
So what is say I started ba.
Oh, sir, as of last week, in this matter,
in this matter, the me try on say, yeah, no no, yeah, follow omo partner. Say yeah, yeah, procurement law ne to answer no mo ba be the second time.
We review it and made it effective.
I don't know one can say because parliament
yeah, review. No share baby loophole so see woman you fine. Bibi omo ye bia fa so
say am here restricted tender.
Na
west than so source.
Ukomu a yen ba ye no. President Nana Akufo-Addo ameki ne appointees no atiase. Say one on countenance ne when we yin bi say wo be ma bibi akwakofa so source no enti no we are working up contract ayama after through PPA any percentage are restricted and restrictive tendering percentage are so sourcing and a percentage open tender and you see say by far no we have so many things that are going on open tender we have so many things that
so many restricted and so source.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Now I want them to understand. Say,
no more. Restricted tender.
Yeah, no more for that question. I thought should be. Almost every time when I say, yeah, Kasa, it's not easy to build a business. Honestly speaking, be a businessman all my life, and I know how I've built my business up to this point. I never about frontline politics. If you come and sit here and you speak about a company like that architect, or a small architect, nobody or not
the council issue
no, listen,
one thing.
Council no me council no
we have even
no,
you should even have politics. The person has not even landed to operate in Ghana. You are giving
the council
what statement you know?
No.
But make it say council.
One kind of statement are on issue. When they address the president of the Republic of Ghana, say,
council, businessmen I have friends in NDC who are businessmen. I will not want to.
All right.
I will not want
to. Mrs. Alberta Mills Robertson of Koforidua. It's your birthday today, Mrs. Alberta Mills Robertson of Koforidua from Coretta and Yakrama to you, Mrs. Albert Mills Robertson of Koforidua. Say gallop person ya galloposa. Nanki ankofa money and kofa for krabaya. Nka will not be galloping this way. But seriously speaking, Mijidi says hard now say honorable.
The businessmen don't teach us say follow the right processes.
The right process
now my paper. Now my penny.
So
they never believe that
2000 if you say you wamra a shisha kwan e fa so a state contract.
Thank you. Which we agree.
Two for no nko kan kire obi say kona koye adwuma na we are problem beto obi so. We can do better than what we are doing. You say any say beba. Enka ye be pon so be kan the ansem.
They are all can say businessmen no. They should know better. Businessman no e na sadie. who are we a minister with the contract air man who are we the head of entity committee who na procurement act no air regulatory say who here for kwan so it is actually unfair to ask the businessman will call sign a contract with government now in here say on your parliamentary approval onu na already contract no be call parliament. I mean let's be fair. They are buying out the bed they are buying out the bed. So let the government do the right thing. They are buying businessman. They are buying contract. Over my lawyer but we a minister. Carlos. That is exactly what happened.
Carlos and 2000 contract. It works both ways.
Yes.
Say or no businessman. Exactly. But aban between who for more.
Exactly.
Because when you a chance say businessman also to investment. But the Americans are aban so for more. Knowing very well said there are protocols. I also be observant. Not all I na the Kenya. I thought that protocols na under them. Omama contractors ako site contract new as we speak now. Mu
or contract the then your site be
both sides.
No, I'm saying omuni because emergency be o we catch your contract
5.1 billion road
emergency
Rose be emergency.
Me say emergency. Can you hear contract be emergency.
But I'm saying
normal create emergency.
But the point is that you are not disputing the fact say emergency so enu a udi bema. There are people, there are emergency cases that Obama contract on. So the Americans say ministers of state.
When you are guilty of this thing more than anything. Mama will
opposition move fire court be.
My young fix it.
Honorable. Okay. Yes, and 1, 2, 3. Sika Prince.
I didn't know you organizers. People organizing. But go and check. You are just me more information.
What TV?
Me more information.
That's all you care.
That wouldn't. I am a politician. You are ground.
Who your politics?
Organizers say driving omuchi limited registration. People diba. I am telling you. The next time I see an people organizing, me try send them out.
Lawyer, then you what you say?
More 550
say. O ko do me am no.
I didn't know Asma Carlos can also anything now gallop.
Decision on my own. Maybe decide Mumbai. Me buy and how sometimes you know also mini power. So men 1990 I should share a choir me for so I should fee. Me a responsible person.
I want power there
now say me power they say e be mommy.
As well can make
say power there me
only power there on your adwuma.
Me power me a private business.
I said no sika beba.
So enu na me call so me sorry anopa me but I still have to serve my party. Okay. So NSA no na me call akọ transati. Me wo koko mele nipa me business.
Their business
another.
But me
man kana who clearing agent so onye ni juma
now we be my obekla
me be a contractor.
Say be obekla
me crowd
me be that be me
clearing
NDC clearing agent me be mo NDC
na juma for the NDC be dem
there be me inform no me the man obenya sika at the contest NDC me inform
Carlos we'll continue galloping and ACP Kosi for is your birthday once again. Happy birthday. Ye peja imo chanya me aduma e be san share bi me do mas